Virtual assistants are very flexible. They can do everything that you ask them to do. What are they good at? What do they really enjoy? One thing that I can say is VAs are very flexible because at the time you asked me to do customer service, I was able to do customer service. And then the next time you asked me to manage the customer service team, which I was able to do as well. You asked me to do the whole technical side of the alarm systems, fixing cameras, managing the technicians and stuff like that. And then now I am helping the hiring team with the interviews. I am doing training and lots of other stuff. So flexible because they are very smart people and they're willing to learn. And she learned. Actually, she got a lot better than me on real estate than I do. I don't even know what form to fill out and she knows it all. So what about you, Mary? What do you do for me?
I have been working with Phyllis for 3 years and I actually started as a data entry bookkeeper. I started data entry bookkeeper for Phyllis with a real estate business. And then later, I got to manage or create reports for all the properties that we had. Yeah, reporting, later to paying bills and schedule it for each property that we had before. And then after I was in charge with the hiring, I do the interview. I talk with the client sometimes if they have concern with payroll and yes, anything. I'm actually accounting /PA/HR. So we are very flexible actually.
Yes, everything that Phyllis asks us to do. The good news is I know what to get them to do and what not to get them to do. If you get Mary to want to make outbound call, sales call every day, Mary will quit immediately. If you tell Monique to run spreadsheet every single day, plus minus whatever, I think she's not going to work out as much. And again, what we are trying to tell you is yes, virtual assistants are very flexible. They can do everything that you ask them to do. However, at the same time, you also have to look into what are they good at, what do they really enjoy. And our coaching program is really helping you to get you through it step by step to really figure out matching the personality and the characteristic to the position that they have so that they can thrive in it, not just to do it just for the money.